1、2、3，呜！哎呦，哇！现在这个鱼的肉哇就直接下来了。哦，然后骨头就留在这里。
好吃吧？咸。
So good. It's great.
After witnessing Pudong's spectacular skyscrapers and state-of-the-art technology, it's kind of hard to believe we're still in Pudong. This place is Xinchang. "150,000 square meters of ancient architecture has frozen Xinchang Town's ancient culture in time. The town now has declared a World Intangible Cultural Heritage as a living ancient town, preserving the past while maintaining sustainable development." Inheriting tradition and renewing culture, the old Pudong lifestyle is very well preserved, while tourism and cultural creative industries are feeding the new flame to this millennium-old town.